What's up, guys? Conqueror here again. I just wanted to make a quick video since you guys requested how to join Strong Trends Volume 2. Especially you've been asking for Sol because it made this huge run and never gave proper pullback. So how to join this whole move? Okay, see, after this consolidation, it's obvious that you could join in here, break, retest, but you missed it, right? And then you're waiting for a pullback. We somehow got something here, but after that, no pullbacks. So where to get in? Where to hop on the train? For that, you need to go to smaller time frames. See, for example, if you miss this move, let's start from here. If you miss this breakout and retest, perfect entry. Okay, you missed it. What happens here? There's a support resistance here, right? Then we broke it, test it. This is your second entry. You could get in here. There's also a block here, which supports our idea. And then there is another smaller time frame resistance area, right? Resistance. Come back again, resisted, broke it, cannot close below, support, support, that's your second entry. Okay, there's another resistance, right? These are natural resistance, support, resistance areas. Resistance, flip, support, don't forget that. Break, consolidate above, test, shoots up. There's another entry. In smaller time frames, this is also another entry. So what happens here? The price start consolidating, right? I'm going to take this area. Resistance. Couldn't close above. Rejected. Support. Finally broke out here. Let's go into smaller time frames. See the retest of this area. That's your another entry. There is another resistance area. Wick below, resisted, broke back above, retest, boom. And then what happens here? Okay, see, we've been front run here. Never gave us the pullback. But that's also another support area, right? Let's go back. Let's zoom in. What happened here? Price came down, couldn't close below, come back up, test it. Here's your another entry. And this is for you guys, your favorite chart patterns, triangles. Broke above. You couldn't get in? No problems. There is another entry. That was resistance, deviated, couldn't close above. Come back again, broke it, test, go. There's another area here. You missed that. Okay, no problems. Here, resistance, broke it, support, boom. Keep it easy, guys. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. There's another resistance area. Come tested it. Now what's happening? There is another resistance area. Now we're testing it. Alright, guys. I mean, this is the very simple, very basic explanation. See, I can find many of these, many entries. There is never a missed opportunity. There is always other opportunities. See what's happening here. Resistance, couldn't close above. Come, retest, boom. You can always join. But now it's a little bit too extended, so I wouldn't be so horny about getting in. But this is how you can ride these trends. Okay, I hope that's helpful. See you in the next video.